guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you're into 3D printing, photography and drones, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you won't miss anything. Filament review today, we're talking about eSUN Silk PLA filament. It's very well spooled filament. Quality that eSUN is delivering, even though they're a Chinese budget friendly company, is really good. I mean, it went over my expectation. I mean, eSUN is always leading on the ecologic and eco-friendly filaments, and the E on the eSUN resembles the ecologic print, and I'm surprised about the quality. I mean, we'll get into these prints in a minute. Let's roll the intro first and let's get back to it. Before getting into the review, I would like to tell you about a collaboration I have ongoing with this really good friend of mine, Giuseppe. He runs an Instagram page called 3D Print All. The people who already follow me know who I'm talking about. He's a great creator. He talks about application of electronics to 3D printing. He recently came out with lots of beautiful prints. I mean, it's a great place to go and boost your creativity if you're in lack of it. All the links to Giuseppe's page will be down in the description. Go pay Giuseppe a visit. I'm sure you will not regret it. As mentioned, eSUN is a filament company. They produce ecologic and eco-friendly filaments. All their PLA and other materials are considered to be eco-sustainable and will not impact the environment, which is something really good considering this is a Chinese budget company, and I like that a lot. I would like to tell you something important, that I'm not paid to do any of these reviews. Companies send me filament to review it and test it, and the one I like the most are the one who will come on video. Most of them you will not see because I was not impressed. So if you hear me using the word amazing, it's because I truly mean it. And I say that a lot in my videos because I'm excited of showing you that filament. First three prints I want to show you today are Christmas themed, and they turned out really nice. First one is this Christmas tree, standing tree here. I will put close-ups of all these so you can better have an idea. It was printed flat, and then you print another piece here and glue it together, and you have a beautiful standing Christmas tree. All the links to all the files shown in the prints shown in this video will be down in the description for your reference. I also printed a small one. The other Christmas print was this one. I'm sure you've seen this already in my previous videos. It's just a simple Christmas tree printed in 3 pieces. This was printed like flat, then was the base, and this is a balloon angel ornament. My wife is waiting for this piece because all the Christmas decorations are already in the lounge and she's waiting for that. Last Christmas print, I need to move far away, is this beautiful and shiny Christmas tree. This was printed in vase mode, 0.8 extrusion at 0.4, as I normally print all my vase stuff. And as you can see, this shiny silky effect really gives a Christmas vibe, and I love this print. I made a mistake though. Probably at the beginning I was printing at too high temperature. Let me see if I can focus this. There you go. I printed it with a higher temperature. I found a sweet spot for this filament at 205 with both my Creality CR10 Smart and my Artillery Sidewinder. Companies suggest between 190 and 220. I found that sweet spot at 205, and I mean, start lower than what's recommended. Usually Silk PLAs need a higher temperature, especially if you're printing in vase mode, but I didn't find that characteristic on this filament, so keep an eye on it. If you start testing at lower temperature than your regular one. Another beautiful model I found on my mini factory was this one. This is a 9-tail fox, and it printed out beautifully. As you can see, there's no stringing whatsoever between the tails here, and it's something I loved a lot about this filament, because usually silk PLAs leave a huge quantity of stringing. No matter how much your attraction is set to, they always leave some kind of you know, small pieces hanging, and the stringing gets annoying after a while. Another stunning model I found was this one. This is a dice tower, totally printed out without any kind of supports. Overhangs here, even though the temperature was high, worked out really good. I mean, this piece here looks like it was molded plastic and not 3D printed. It looks premium. It looks like a product you can find in a shop. It doesn't need any post-processing. I mean, probably just some sanding here on the overhang, but it turned out really, really good. Last two models I want to show you. First one is this vase. This vase is a model I'm in love with. It's from Namu 3D. Links again in the description to his page, his Cal 3D page. I love it because it's, even though it's only one line, it's a sturdy vase, and it feels like a product that comes out of a shop. It doesn't feel like something 3D printed. And this color really gives a Christmas vibe and a premium effect to it. On the last print, I wanted to test bed adhesion and first layer. I'm gonna put a, let me see if I can focus this. As you can see, first layer turned out great. This was all printed in one and then came off the printer like this. It's a snake, and my kids love it and they want it back. I'm sure that you probably can hear them shouting in the back. They want me to close this video because it's a weekend and they want their father back. What can I say more about this filament? I mean, its price point and quality price relationship are really hard to beat. All the links to buy the filament, the eSUN filament, will be down in the description for your reference. And it's a filament that I recommend if you want an easy silk copper filament, and with like that's easy to print and that will deliver beautiful eye effect, and you can print marvelous tabletops with this filament. Something I always forget in my videos is to tell you that every question you have, please write them down in the comment section. I will be more than pleased to answer all your comments. I already do. I try to answer all of them. That was all for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button if you did. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys on the next video.